Hello friends, welcome on this video today. It's Daniel from Tips to Fix. I will show you 15 features, 15 hidden features on Windows 11 and also the major changes on 2021 here on Windows 11. The first major changes I listed here on the list is the beautiful themes that are listed here on Windows 11. Let's go and see the themes. Go to settings, open up menu here, start menu, and click settings, and let's go and personalization, and then you will see here all the themes. So if you see here only the 6th theme, you see the dark version or white version, and all of these are beautiful and nice. But if you want, what about if you want to see more themes and you want to install more of them? Then click here on the themes. If you want to see more themes, click here on the themes and then browse themes. There are a bunch of themes here on Microsoft Store, and then you can choose the one you like. I see here Sun and Sand Premium. I click here to get this theme as a free, and then it's downloading. You see that it's downloading. The theme is 29.30 megabytes, and I will click here launch, and let's see this beautiful theme. I want to run this theme again. Here it is, Sun and Sand Premium 10 images. Okay, here I am. I have here a new theme on my desktop. Okay, I will change it again. I will put it on the default mode. Go here on the settings again, and then personalization, and I will put this white theme. Okay, the second, task manager keyboard. If you want to get Task Manager for quick access, you just have to click Ctrl, Shift, and Escape button, and then you will see here Task Manager as quick as possible. Okay, guys, this is nice thing. And let's go on the third, mouse and features. Change the color. Okay, let's go on the settings here, and then let's go on accessibility, and then you will see here mouse pointer and touch. You can see different colors for mouse and different size if you want to get size when you do the video tutorial like I'm doing right now. And then here you can change the color you want, and then it looks nice. I listed these features, the third one. I will keep the default one because I like the default mouse. For the moment, I will keep it here, yellow, like Tips to Fix. Okay, we'll keep it here, yellow. Okay, let's go on the fourth hidden thing. Okay, copy and paste more than one thing. If you are here on the text document and then you create a text, and then let's copy and paste, and then you like to copy and paste one, and then copy and paste two or something, and then if you just do a copy here, if you do a copy, and then if you do another copy, Control C, let's say you have 2 copies right now for the moment, and then here we have 2 copies here on the clipboard. So how to get which one you want to paste? You have to type Windows button on a keyboard and then plus V, and you will see here you have to turn on the clipboard. So now I just turn on the clipboard, click the Windows logo here on the keyboard, and then click V, and then you will see here which text you want to paste 2 or paste 1. So okay, let's continue. let's get another feature. 5. Snip and sketch. Just type snip. If you see here, snipping tool, old one from Windows 10, but we have another app here and it's called Snip and Sketch. Click here on this Snip and Sketch, and then this one is to do to take a snapshot on your computer. I mean, draw to shape to create a screen snap. Okay, or like this. If you want like this, you will see it here. And you can do another one, like here it is, and then here is full screen of me here. If you want to set this Snip and Sketch software as a default, if you click the print screen keyboard on your keyboard, then go here on settings, accessibility, and then scroll down, keyboard here, use print screen button to open screen snipping. Turn this on. Then let's continue with the 6 program, Step Recorder. So have you ever heard about Step Recorder? If you want to share to someone everything you are doing on your computer, then there is a software here, Step Recorder. You see, Step Recorder. And this Step Recorders record everything you type on your computer with screenshot and text and everything. Let's start and try. Click here, start recording, and then open the document. If you want, type something here for showing the tutorial to my friend. Okay, and then stop recording. And here it is, you can see all the steps. Look at this. You see the screenshot, you see the details here, every detail. Okay, all the text I wrote here. Let's go on the 7 hidden features. Multitasking features and snapping. Okay, multitasking features. Okay, open up here this PC and then you will see here multitasking. If you go here on this maximize option here, if you click here, if you just put the mouse here on the maximize option, you will see here multitasking window. And if I click this, it will go on the left. And then if I click here, it will go on the bottom. And if I click here, it will go here. So this is very nice features. And snapping. Snapping is when you drag and drop this or at the left or at the bottom and you release and it will fit like this. Okay. Let's go in 8. Select all startup programs. We know that when we open up Windows, there are a bunch of softwares that run with Windows and it makes our system to run slow. If you want to control which softwares you want to be start up or open up with your Windows, then you have to choose here on the settings at the apps. At the way bottom here, you will see startup. Click on this and then you will see all the softwares that are running with Windows. So I will turn off some of them and I will speed up the computer. Okay, don't want this, I don't want this update for GitHub, and I don't want Microsoft Teams also for the moment. Logitech Download Assistant, I don't want it. Easiest Total Backup Application. I don't want Cortana for the moment. AnyDesk, turn off AnyDesk. Turn off Adobe. Okay, Windows Security Notification icon, I need this. So now, after you restart the computer, you will see all of these software are not running anymore on the startup. Okay, let's go here on the feature number 9. You can dictate to your computer and your computer will write the text by itself. If you don't like to type now in the keyboard and write a lot of text, but if you want to read a book or something and you want computer to type it down on a Word document or something, It's amazing a feature. Let's try, let's open up new Microsoft Word document here. What you have to do, just type Windows logo, here on the keyboard and age. Here. Wow, look at this, Microsoft Speech Services. Click here and let's see if it works. Okay, let's try now again. All my visitors are very welcome to my channel and they are the best we have here. I love you all, you guys, and thank you for watching this video tutorial, these video features, and don't forget to subscribe. Tips to Fix. So this is amazing, don't you think so? Okay, stop. Let's go now on the next option. I don't want to save it. Oh yeah, we can keep it here. Let's save it. Okay, feature number 10. Which one I listed on the 10? Let's see here on my list. Oh, let's put the start here on the left. If you don't like the start menu here on the center, but if you want it on the left, that is easy trick. Just right click here on task settings, and then here on the task settings, go here on the personalization, and then go here on the taskbar settings, and then you will see taskbar. Let's go here on the taskbar behaviors. It's here at the end, and taskbar behaviors. Go here on the from center, click it here on the left, and then you will see taskbar will be on the left. If you want to automatically hide, then you can automatically hide. But if you don't want to automatically hide, then release this option again. Features number 11. What I have put on the 11. What I have for 11. Oh, we have here multiple desktops. New one. I will go here on this new one and I will change the theme. Here, new one, and then choose background. I will change background for this. We'll put this one. And then we have here desktop 1 and desktop 2. Let's go on desktop 1. And here I am on desktop 1 right now. But if you want to go on desktop 2, then... And then now let's go back on my first desktop. Okay, here. I will close this one. I don't want it, and I want to stay here. Okay, let's go on the features number 12. And features number 12, hidden features number 12 is secret start menu. Okay, when you click with the left button here, we will see this start menu. But if you click here on the right, with the right click here on the start menu, then you will see this hidden start menu. There are a lot of options here. Disk management, network connection, device manager, power options, event viewers, apps and features, or run, search, file explorer, and desktop shutdown or sign out your computer. Let's go on the features number 13. Free video editor. We have a free video editor here. Video editor, just search for video editor. New project for this video. New video, click OK, and then add some video from your computer. Videos. I have some videos here pre-recorded before, and then you will see it here. Okay. And then you will use this. Okay. Another thing, what do we have here on Windows 11? We have here new context menu for when you right click on the desktop, as you see, is a new one. And if you want to see the older one, the old context menu on the desktop, you have to show more option. Here is the old context menu when you right click on the desktop. And the last one, the 15th option, is Windows 11 can support Android apps. And let's search for TikTok. And you will see here at the apps, TikTok for Microsoft Store. Then here it is. You can install this app directly on Windows 11 and click launch, and you will see here TikTok launch. As you see, TikTok is working great on Windows 11. Okay, another thing what we need to do, and also we have here widgets. So thank you guys for watching. These are 15 features I choose for you guys to show on the Windows 11. Thank you guys for watching this video. Let's continue and wait for the next update for Windows 11. God bless you and see you on the next video tutorial.